hitting you again. Today we're going to get into the debt validation new letter 2024. This is going to be free on the CFPB complaint website. I'm going to drop the link below in the YouTube channel so you guys can get it. Remember, this is free. You're going to add your own spice to it to make it unique and separate it from other letters that they're getting. But this is cool because it comes from the CFPB complaint website. Okay. And I'm going to show you their website, okay? We're going to go to that right now. So this is their website. I'm going to leave the link below. You're going to go down. Boom. Tells you what to do. And you're going to go down to here. They're going to have templates and letters, examples. Go to the one you need. I do not owe this debt. I need more information. I will choose I need more information. Okay. This is how it's going to look right here. Your name, your address, debt collector, account number. And it's going to be short and sweet. Change the wording in here. A lot of these wordings say debt, the word debt / money. Use the word debt or not. Take out the word debt, add amount of money. As you see, I did here. You contacted me by phone or mail / I would take out the one that they didn't contact me by, which will be phone. Boom, boom, boom. On this date, I have asked for this information because I have some questions. You want to use the gun in the room method. Like, I don't know what's going on. Hey, I just want to get clarification. Not saying I'm not going to pay it. Not saying I don't cooperate. After this is done, you're going to write your name or type your name. Do not sign your name. Do not sign your name. So I like using this. The site. And here goes a example of what the letter will look like also for you guys. Boom. That's what the letter is going to look like. Okay. See that? If you're asking that I pay a debt that somebody else is or was required to pay, identify that person. See, now you're going to send this to the third-party collection agency that's trying to contact you. This is going to put that at a halt. It's very detailed. And like I said, you're going to spice it up. Do not sign. I'm going to drop the link to this below so you guys can get this. And remember, this is free, man. This is free stuff. Hit like, hit subscribe.